how to change modes in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change modes and select others. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this modes icon. Simply tap on modes. So here you can see different modes that are available. Classic, practice, and here there are different events too. So you can slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see a different option that are available. Now simply tap on the one that you want to play. So here I have enable it. Now simply tap on enter and you'll be able to play the mode that you just selected. So it's quite easy switching different modes, and there are different events too. So try exploring the game and try playing different modes in the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.